channel YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a math module, mathematical module that is called as a math module in Python. Math module in Python. What is math module? Okay. What operation? What type of operation perform the mathematical operation? For example, the math is a inbuilt module. It is a built-in module. It is a built-in module. It is not a user-defined module. It is a built-in module or built-in library. It's a built-in library. The main purpose of the mathematical module is to perform the mathematical operations. Mainly it is used to perform the mathematical operations. Which type of the mathematical operations are performed? It is used to mainly mathematical operations means statistical and trigonometric operations. These are the mathematical operations. The first mathematical operation is in math.pi value. It is used to display the approximate value of the pi value. Approximate the pi value is 3.14. Math.e value displays the natural logarithmic value. It is used to display the ceil value. That means it is used to ceil to the next integer, smallest integer to the greatest integer, greater than number. And now similarly, floor value, fab value, factorial value, exponential value, logarithmic value, the base value, and sqrt value, cos value, sine value, and tan value. These are the mathematical operations to perform. These two are called as a constants. These are the completely mathematical operations to perform the mathematical operations in Python by using the math module. Now, clear about the. So, what is pi, sir? The pi is a constant. It is used in to find the area of a circle. These are the different programs. The value is 3.14. These are the used in the different purposes. For example, with the examples. To factorial value, exponential value, logarithmic value, sqrt, sine, cos, and so on. So I will explain one by one. Now here we are using the 3.8.2. First, import the module. Import the math module. It is a built-in module, so immediately import the various operations or various different types of import statements. One statement is import math. Here to use the math dot. The first variable is pi. It is a pi value. It is a pi. So now here one more is math.e. The value of the pi is 3.14. That is the value of the pi by 7 or 3.14. Now the math.e value. So the math.e value is 2.7182 and so on and so on. Example, math.sqrt. Square root of sqrt means square root of 25. 25 is integer value. Return the value is 5.3. Similarly, math.sqrt of 100. The value equal to 10.0. Example, math.floor of 4.7. Now the round to the nearest integer. So nearest integer is the 5. Now is the nearest integer less than value equal to 4. Now the math.ceil of 4.7. So perform the only the 5 value. Similarly, math.factorial of 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. Example, math.factorial of, for example, 9. The factorial of 9. The factorial of 9 value. Now is the 1 value. Find the factorial of 9. Math.power of 3, 4. That means 3 power of 4. 3 power of 4. But the value, indirect value equal to the indirect value 3 power of 4. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3. That is equal. The value equal to 81. Print these values into 81. Output value equal to 81.0. It is a completely mathematical module. Math module. It is a built-in module to perform all the mathematical operations. For example, math.sin of, for example, 45. So math.tan of 45. Math.cos of 90 values. Math.e value and the math.exponential value and the GCD. Find the GCD of two numbers 4, 8. Find the greatest common division. These are the mathematical operations perform mathematical inbuilt module in Python. Okay guys, up to here, clear all of it? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.